Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your YNAB password on your mobile device. To change your YNAB account's password using the mobile app, first of all, launch open the YNAB app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the top left corner and tap the three dots. In the pop-up, click on Settings and Privacy. And then after you open the settings menu, click on the account setting button under your accounts tab. Now this will open up this page from where you need to tap on change email and password button under login methods. And then scroll down to change password. Type down your current password in the first tab that is associated with your YNAB account, and then on the next field, write down the new password you want to change to. Finally, click on change password and you will be able to change your YNAB account's password in just a few simple steps. Next time you log into your account, don't forget to enter the newly updated password so that you can get back to your account right away. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.